Hello beauties, you are welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Winnie. In today's video we are going to be learning how to make a palazzo pant trouser for men. It is very easy to make and beginner friendly. If this sounds interesting to you and you would love to learn, definitely keep on watching, like my videos, share with your family and friends, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out anytime I upload a new video. So without too much talking, let's get to the honey of the video. Let's go. I love you. Hey beauty, welcome to my channel. So you are going to be needing about 1.5 yards of fabric, or 1.5 to 2 yards of fabric for this trouser. So what I'm doing now is that I'm marking the waistline. I used about 12 inches because every measurement that you have, you are going to be adding 2 inches to it. So but for the crotch length, I used 14 inches. I didn't add 2 inches to that. So I only added 2 inches to the waistline. Normally I would have used 10 inches at the waist area, but I used 12 inches this time around. Then I connected it to the crotch area and I went out by 2 inches. Now for the length is supposed to be longer than the normal length. So the normal length of this person is 40. So I'm going to be using 42 as the normal length this time around, and plus 4 inches for hemming at the top and at the bottom. So that's making 46 inches, and that's what I'm going to be marking now. So don't forget that we are adding all these allowances so that the trouser can be big enough. And this kind of trouser, they are supposed to wear something high, like a high sneakers or something at the down part, so it's meant to be longer than the normal waist area. So what I'm just doing is that I'm marking the 2 inches that I am supposed to use to fold, and then I want to mark the midpoint of the trouser length minus 3 inches. So that is what will be the knee area. So at the knee area, I'm just marking out 11 inches for my knee. That's 22. So what you're going to measure your knee area, whatever you have at your knee, that's what you're going to divide by 2 and mark. And so whatever you get at the knee area is what you are going to take all the way down. Hope you understand. So whatever you added at the knee area, as for me, I added 11 inches at the knee area. So that is what you are going to be using to get all the whole length, the final length. So 11 inches. So once that is done, you're just going to go ahead to cut it out. It's as easy and simple as that. Whatever all your measurement is, just make sure you add 2 inches to it. Even to the length, add 2 inches to the length, to the waist, to the hip area if possible, and every other part except the crotch. Don't add allowance to the crotch because it's going to make it bigger. So whatever crotch length that you need is what you are going to be using. So once that is done, you are going to cut it out. I'm sorry that this fabric was a tug of war. Honestly, I was just holding it on this side and holding it on the other side. It is very slippery. All right, so when you are doing yours, make sure that you have enough instruments or tools to hold it down. All right, this is a Jokoso fabric and it is very slippery on table, or better still, you cut yours on the floor. So what I'm doing now is I'm marking 2 inches from the top and 1 inch. So I'm just going to place that in a notch, and then I'm going to measure 11 inches from my pocket opening, and I'm also going to notch that. So I'm going to set the front aside and work on the back. The only difference between the front and the back is that the back is 2 inches bigger than the front. That's the basic thing. That is the only thing. And this is a men's trouser. There's no need for raising the waist area or anything. So just make sure that the back is 2 inches bigger than the front, and after that is done, cut everything out the same way. If you are new to my channel, you're welcome to the channel of beautiful people. On here we do everything DIY. Please like my videos, help me to write in the comment section if my video was helpful, because it gives the algorithm chance to push my video to a wider audience, and that is what helps my channel to grow. So please do that for me and help others to learn. Thank you as you do, and please don't forget to subscribe before you go. Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out each time I upload a new tutorial. Alright, so I'm done making sure that the back is bigger than the front by 2 inches, and then I am cutting it out. I'm not going to be showing the sewing video in this tutorial, just the cutting. We are going to be cutting it, so we are going to be sewing it just like our normal men's wear, just as we sew it. So I'm not going to be showing the sewing part. So if you need me to sew the sewing part, let me know in the comment section down below. So once we are done cutting, we are just going to slit the sides open for the front and for the back. We're just quickly going to slit the side open for the front and for the back. Alright, so make sure that you do everything neat and perfect. Notch the necessary areas just as I'm doing right now, and make sure that you mark the wrong and the right side. So when I place it on that 2-inch mark, I'm marking my length and I'm going to place a notch, so that will help me and guide me to fold the down part. So once that was done, I went ahead to slit the sides open, and that is basically it. That's how to cut men's palazzo trouser. It is as simple and easy as ABC, just like that. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. I'm going to quickly go and sew this, and then in a subsequent video I'm going to be showing you the sewing tutorial. Thank you guys for watching. Till I see you in the next one, I love you and I care. Bye.